Just we want to hold on.
We do. It's called loss aversion. So we don't want to see loss. And this is sometimes associated with even a gambler's fallacy, where you just think, one more time, I'm not going to lose this time. But we do this, all of us do this in everyday decisions as well. We think, well, I've invested so much time and energy in this particular person or behavior. I can't lose. I don't want to lose it.
So you have to recognize that is an emotional decision, right? So that's really step one with all this, kind of separate it.
It is, and I say this to my clients too. We want to understand two things. First, that as humans, we tend to make emotional decisions. We'd like to think we don't, but when we gravitate towards the behavior or whatever that might be that you're spring cleaning, it's often emotional. It makes us feel good, which is a great reason. But then we also want to recognize when we have sunk too much cost into this. And that's when it becomes, we need to understand the second pattern, which is loss aversion, that we may still hold on because we're so averse to loss, we don't want to give it up.
Separate present you from the past you.
So it's being able to identify that that decision you made in the past may have served you well. So when you made a decision to hire the coach and decide to pick up running, that was where your mental state was. You felt that you needed some kind of motivation to be physically active, but present you isn't finding joy or value in that decision anymore. And there's no reason to feel negative or bad or guilt or shame about holding on to that decision. So it's really about understanding presently, where are you at?
I like that part of it.